T-Mobile routers like the Arcadian KVD21 and Nokia FastMile 5G support multiple languages through their web interface. First, connect your device to the router's Wi-Fi or use an Ethernet cable. Open a web browser and enter your router's IP address, usually 192.168.12.1 or 192.168.0.1. Log in using the admin password, which can be found on the router or set in the app. Navigate to Settings or Administration, then find the Language or Localization section. Select your preferred language from the drop-down menu and save the changes. The interface should refresh automatically. If not, manually reboot the router. Make sure your router has the latest firmware for optimal language support. Some T-Mobile router models allow language changes via the T-Mobile app, available on iOS and Android. First, download the T-Mobile app from the App Store or Google Play. Ensure your phone is connected to your T-Mobile home internet Wi-Fi before proceeding. Open the T-Mobile app and navigate to the Device or Router tab to access router settings. Look for a language setting within the router settings. Select your desired language from the available options. The change should sync to the router automatically. Note that app-based language selection might not be available on all models or have as many options as the web UI. If you don't see the language option in the app, use the web UI method for full customization. Check your router model's specific documentation for details.